Let us see formatting. Do you know what is meant by formatting in Excel? Formatting is a setting that determines how an entry is displayed in a cell. There are different types of formatting which enables Excel spreadsheet more effective. For example, if the data of the cell is the number, then you can apply number formatting. If the data is currency, then you can apply currency format. Like that, there are different formats available in Excel. Now, let us see how to do number formatting. By applying number formatting, you can change the appearance of the numbers, and it does not affect the actual value that Microsoft Excel uses to perform calculations. Here I would like to add decimal points to these numbers by applying number format. Select the cell and click on mouse right button. Click on Format Cells command from appeared menu. Format Cells dialog box appeared. Choose number in category list. Here the decimal places for the number is 2. You can change the number as you want or apply the same by click on OK button. See the formatted cell having 2 decimal places. Similarly, you can format entire column at once. Let's see how. Select the column. Click on mouse right button. Choose Format Cells command from appeared menu. Format Cells dialog box appeared, and choose number in category list. Here I am choosing number of decimal places as 1. Then click on OK button. See, all the selected cells has been formatted for 1 decimal place. Here I am going to format all the columns. So I am selecting all the columns. Click on mouse right button. Choose Format Cells command from appeared menu. Click on number in category list of Format Cells dialog box. Choose the required number of decimal places as 1 and click on OK button.
Now we are going to learn about date and currency formats in Excel sheet. For example, I am typing date in the cell as 12 January 2014. But I want to present the date in different format. What to do to get this in Excel? Right click on the cell which you want to format. Then a pop-up menu appears. Choose Format Cells option. Then the Format Cells dialog box appeared. This formatted cell always ready to display the date only. Whatever the number typed in the cell is converted into selected date in format. You can apply the same procedure for the currency also. Type a number in the cell. Right click on the cell and choose Format Cells option. Select currency from the category list and choose number of decimals and currency symbol and click OK button. Now you can see the decimal places and currency symbol for the number.